Friends, welcome to PPT News channel. This is your English news channel where we bring you every latest news of your local area. PPT News aim is to make your area's voice reach the world. We bring to you news related to your area administrative updates and every small and big information of public interest in a simple and accurate manner. Our specialty is correct, unbiased, and latest information. Whether it is development plans of your area, social issues, and special events of your area, PPT News is always with you. Former Haryana Chief Minister Om Prakash Chautala passes away at 89. Former Haryana Chief Minister Om Prakash Chautala passed away on Friday at the age of 89. He breathed his last day his residence in Gurugram. Chautala was taken to Vedanta Hospital in Gurugram at around 11:30 a.m. where he was declared dead by doctors. He had been battling a prolonged illness and was under treatment at the same hospital. His demise has created a wave of mourning in Haryana and Indian politics, where he was regarded as an influential leader. A tumultuous political career. Om Prakash Chautala's political career was filled with highs and lows. During his tenure as Chief Minister, he was implicated in the JVT teacher recruitment scam, for which he was sentenced to 10 years prison. Family and legacy. Om Prakash Chautala was married to Sanhelata, who passed away in August 2019. He is survived by two sons and a daughter. His elder son Ajay Singh Chautala was a former MP from Bhiwani, while his younger son Abhay Singh Chautala served as an MLA from Allahabad. His grandson Dushyant Chautala, who was a former MP from Hisar, also served as the Deputy Chief Minister of Haryana. An unfinished dream inspired the film Dasmi. Om Prakash Chautala, son of former Deputy Prime Minister Chaudhry Devilal, couldn't complete his study due to political responsibilities at an early age. However, while serving his status in Tihar jail for the JVT scheme, he cleared his class 10 examinations, connecting it to his self-respect and working hard to eclipse the fate. This inspiring journey was the premise of the Bollywood movie Dasmi, starring Abhishek Bachchan. The infamous watch controversy. A notable accident in Chautala's life was the watch controversy, which reportedly landed his father Devilal, disowning him for a time. During a Southeast Asia conference in Bangkok in 78, customs officials about 4 dozen watches and 2 dozen luxury pen in Chautala's possession upon his return. This expired allegations of smuggling. Devilal, then he Chief Minister Haryana, disowned him publicly. However, investigations later cleared Chautala of any wrongdoing, as watches were big gifts. Devilal actually forgave him. Rise in politicals. Born on January 1, 35 in Sirsa, Haryana, Om Prakash Chautala stepped into politics following the footsteps of his father Devilal. In 1989, he became Haryana's Chief Minister for the first time, serving until 90. Later became CM for a total of 5 terms, with his longest stint being from 1999 and to 2005. Former leader and political influence after a split in the Janata Dal in 96, Devilal founded the Indian National Lok Dal INLD, which became synonymous with the former interest. Om Prakash Chautala as its national president strengthened the party's root and stood as the prominent former leader, leaving an indelible mark on Haryana's political landscape. Chautala's demise marks the end of an era in Haryana's political from controversies to accomplishments. His legacy will be remembered in both political and personal realms. So stay tuned for with us and subscribe to PPT News channel to see every news of your area. First press the bell icon because this is your local voice global reach. Please tell us in the comment how you like our news and which news related to your area you want to see. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal.